In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford Transit Connect fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle? And how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Engine compartment fuse box. The 2019 Ford Transit Connect engine compartment fuse box includes a layout diagram for fuses and relays, along with easily accessible covers for quick inspections and replacements. It features labeled fuses to protect key electrical circuits, ensuring clear identification of their functions. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2019 Ford Transit Connect passenger compartment fuse box is designed for easy access and features a clear layout with labeled fuses for essential electrical components. It helps protect circuits related to interior functions, such as lights, climate control, and infotainment systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.